Doors Buying Guide. What to look for in a new door. Signs of a quality door. Everybody's requirements are tested and different, but a quality door always offers the following benefits. Be easy to maintain and clean. Look good and be aesthetically in keeping with your house. Be highly security with super locking mechanisms. Be supported by a security frame. Keep out the door or drawers and have a high energy efficiency rating to reduce energy bills. Be made to measure fitting perfectly into the picture of your house. Be industry tested for general performance and weather resistance. Reduce noise from the outside. Remain firm and not move or rattle when the wind blows. Have glass that cannot be removed from the outside of the home. Long-lasting guarantees that cover every aspect of the door. Add value to your home. Everything you know about doors. Materials, the glass, the design, the frames, the furniture and fittings, the security insulation. Questions to ask before you buy new doors. How do I know if I need a new door? What color scheme will help set my home apart? How important is door security? Do I have an obligation to retain to the look of my property? How do I find out if I live in a conservation area? Should I go for a traditional or contemporary design? What door material is the easiest to maintain? Can installing new doors save money or energy bills? What's the energy rating of my new doors? What kind of guarantee do the door comes with? Are timber doors sustainably sourced? Are your products CE marked? Is it possible to make custom-shaped doors? How do I know if our door company is any good? How do I get an option from the expert I can trust? Do I install where I live? How long will the installation take? Do the door company offer aftercare such as call-ups and repairs?